Oh, snap. This is gonna be good. This is gonna be good. Get him. Yeah.
K-7. You took it off. You were drinking. I'm gonna need that.
Oh. Woo, boy. Hey, what's up, guys? So check it out. I just gave this a view. This is the trailer. Well, I gave it a view, but this is actually a preview of the new season 6 of Fortnite. You see what I did with the word view? I put pre in front of it and it changed everything. Preview. You know what? On today, let's talk about prefixes and suffixes. Let's get ready to do it. Yeah, so hey, what is up there, guys, and welcome back to a brand new episode of It's Elementary, where we take elementary school lessons and subjects and we break them down. We break them down in a way in which everybody can understand, whether you are 9 years old or 90 years old. We're sure you'll be able to understand, or at the very least, I'll make you smile, I'll make you laugh. Today we are talking about prefixes and suffixes. Let's first talk about prefixes. The prefix is a word part that is added to an actual word in order to change the whole meaning of the word. I mean, well, that sounds a little confusing, but basically the main thing you've got to remember is a word part. A word part it's just part of a word. It needs to be partnered up with something. See, a prefix goes before the word. That word part, like, take for instance our example, view. We got view. Now we can add a word part, which is part of a word like pre. If we add pre in front of view, we get preview. It changes everything. Yeah. I preview his new channel. Hi guys, it's your boy Noodle Toes. I like to say subscribe to my channel for some awesome content. I'm gonna be doing stuff with the stuffing and stuff. Subscribe, it's your boy. Like and or take a word like sense, meaning like to be notified. Like I sense something is strange. Now if I put a word part in front of it like non, N-O-N, now we got a whole new meaning, a whole new word. We got nonsense. Speaking of nonsense, me and my dog, we had like a barking contest. Anyway, we had a barking contest on TikTok. It was a bunch of nonsense. Yes, prefixes are these word parts that go before the word. It's in front of the word to make a new word. Hey! So if prefixes goes before a word, then suffixes is a word part that would go at the end. Yeah, that's right, at the end. Y'all got it. Y'all smart. Y'all super smart. See, the cool people, we say smart. Okay, so these suffixes, they go at the end of a word. They are a word part that goes at the end. Like, take the word help. A commonly used suffix is full, F-U-L. So we can say helpful. We made it a new word. Or how about spoon? If we put the suffix F-U-L behind spoon, we now got a spoonful. I mean, it changes the word. Oh, you know another commonly used suffix? Now there is ing, ing. Take the word paint. There's a can of paint, but if we add ing, it changes everything. Now we got painting. Now we're actually doing something. Usually when you change to a suffix, it's going to be a verb. It's going to be action. That word is going to change into something that you're doing. Like paint, ing, walk, and then I can add the suffix ing, walking. Yo, they call me little toothbrush. I'm about to flex on y'all. I'm about to flex on them boys. Yeah, Look at my money. Look at my cars. My white teeth. That's a bar. Flex. Oh, my turn. Okay. I'm little homie and I don't flex, but I'm flexible. Suffix. I'm flexible. Oh, this is when I rap. Okay, drop the beat. This is my turn. Yeah. I play Minecraft all day, all night. If you come at me, I'll treat you right. Hey, whoa. Okay there guys, what is up? So we are coming to the ending of our episode. So I hope you learned just what prefixes or suffixes is. You just got to remember the prefixes is that word part that goes in the beginning of a sentence, the beginning of a word to make it a whole new word, and then the suffix, it comes at the end. If you can remember that, I tell you, you're gonna be a super. Prefixes and suffixes, it just makes your writing and your narrative and your words and your vocabulary so much more better and enlightening and extra. You want to be extra with it. I thank you guys for watching. If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe. Hey, how y'all doing? Good to see y'all. I will see y'all in the very next video. Prefixes and suffixes? Man, it's elementary. I play